What are you crazy people doing out there? What are you doing, buddy?
Get out a line of gasoline, we're going to set it on fire and melt all this.
Get out of snow to melt. We're breaking down the wall of snow that is accumulated by the fence because Princess has tried to climb her way out of the yard because it's also stacked up on the other side of the fence from the snow, you know, the snowplow coming by and clearing off the roads. And this is all snow from one storm. Apparently, this is the most snow that they've seen from one storm around here in quite some time. Aren't we lucky? Thankfully, we have a snowblower from the neighbor. Otherwise, we would be still clearing the path that we started this morning.